Hi everyone, this is Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining and welcome back to my channel. So with Christmas and New Year's just around the corner, I know you'll be looking for some new delicious turkey recipes to make for your family. And there's no better time than now to share with you my favorite grandmother's recipe for pulled turkey. It goes absolutely incredible with any dish, but my favorite way to serve it is to mix it with barbecue sauce and coleslaw salad. This combination is absolutely phenomenal and is actually quite popular because it's commonly found on pulled turkey sandwiches. But once you try this recipe just by itself without the bread, like I recommend you, I promise you that you will never even think about twice putting so much goodness and flavor into a bun. So let's roll. In this recipe, I'm gonna use a relatively small turkey that weighs about 5 kilograms. So the first thing you wanna do is to let the turkey defrost at room temperature overnight. Once it is defrosted, set the turkey on a cookie sheet or pan to catch any liquid it may drip. Remove the plastic wrap. And after that, the plastic piece that holds the turkey together. Then remove the neck and place it in a large bowl. A good chef lets nothing go to waste, so the stuff you don't use in this recipe you can freeze, and whenever you want you can make an amazing turkey broth from the leftovers. For the next step, remove the turkey wings. We also are not going to use them, so you can place them in the bowl for the broth. Next, let's remove the turkey legs and place them on the cutting board. Then peel back and discard the skin from the turkey and then cut off the breasts. Put them in a large bowl, and what we have left from the turkey, let's place it in the bowl for the broth. Now let's take the cutting board, remove the skin from the legs, and cut them in half. Also, let's take a turkey breast and cut them into 3 pieces so that everything is roughly the same size, and put them back in the bowl. Now let's wash the meat thoroughly a couple of times under lukewarm water, and then, once you're done, drain the water. After that's done, let's season the meat with 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of Montreal Chicken Seasoning, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now mix everything in, cover with a plastic wrap, and put it in the fridge to marinate overnight, or at least for 3 hours. The next day, for the next step, let's slice 3 medium onions, put it in a bowl, and add 4 tablespoons of mayo, 4 tablespoons of Sugar Free Ketchup, 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 9 pressed garlic cloves, and mix everything in. Next, let's take a large frying pan, add a little oil, and fry marinated turkey on all sides until golden brown crust forms. Once it has a nice crust, transfer it to the Dutch oven pan. Then cover it with a half of seasoned onions and repeat the same process with the rest of the turkey. As you can see, for this step I'm dividing the turkey and the onions into 2 layers, but if your turkey is larger, then you can have 3 or more layers. After that, cover with the lid and bake the turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours at first. Once 1.5 hours has passed, take it out from the oven and using 2 forks, spread the meat as much as possible and mix it in. Cover with the lid and put it back in the oven for another hour. After another hour has passed, take it out from the oven again. Spread the meat into thin long fibers as much as possible. This time it should be easy enough to remove some of the bones and tendons. Then cover it again with the lid and let it cook in the oven for another final half an hour. After it has been cooking for a total of 3 hours, remove from the oven and the turkey should finally be ready. You can serve it by itself, pair it up with another dish, or my favorite way, like I'm just about to show you. So my favorite way is to drizzle some delicious sugar-free barbecue sauce on top, and also add the coleslaw salad. Lightly mix it in and it's ready to be served. I have already made a video on how to make this delicious coleslaw salad, so you can find the link at the end of this video or in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in a low carb or keto diet, then you can subscribe to my channel because I have so many other recipes that I can't wait to share with you. I wish you happy holidays and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!